Thank you for purchasing this ProForm bike. Assembly requires 2 persons. Place all parts in a cleared area and remove the packing materials. Do not dispose of the packing materials until you finish all assembly steps. Left parts are marked L or left, and right parts are marked R or right. Assembly can be completed using the included tools. Please keep the included tools. One or more of the included tools may be needed to make adjustments in the future. To avoid damaging parts, do not use power tools for assembly or adjustment. Using a standard screwdriver, carefully pry the shield cover off the left and right shields. If there is a shipping tube on the rear of the frame, remove the screws from the shipping tube and discard the screws and the shipping tube. Next, set a sturdy piece of packing material under the rear of the frame. Have a second person hold the frame to prevent it from tipping. Identify the rear stabilizer. Attach the rear stabilizer to the frame with 2 M8 by 70 mm screws. Then remove the packing material from under the rear of the frame. If there is a shipping tube on the front of the frame, remove the screws from the shipping tube and discard the screws and the shipping tube. Next, set a sturdy piece of packing material under the front of the frame. Attach the front stabilizer to the frame with 2 M8 by 70 mm screws. Then remove the packing material from under the front of the frame. Set the seat carriage on the seat post and hold it in place. Then insert the seat knob upward into the seat post and tighten the seat knob into the seat bracket inside of the seat carriage. Hold the seat post near the frame and position the seat post bushing so that the lock tab is covering the oval hole in the seat post. Have a second person loosen the seat post knob a few turns and pull it outward. Insert the seat post and the seat post bushing into the frame until the lock tab snaps into the indicated hole in the frame. Next, slide the seat post upward and downward to the desired position and release the seat post knob into an adjustment hole in the seat post. Then tighten the seat post knob. Move the seat post upward or downward slightly to make sure that the seat post knob is engaged in an adjustment hole. Do not pinch the main wire. Orient the upright as shown and hold it on the frame. Attach the upright with 4 M8 by 20 mm screws. Start all 4 screws and then tighten them. Locate the wire tie in the upright. Tie the wire tie through the wire pull on the main wire. Then pull the upper end of the wire tie until the main wire is routed through the upright. Do not untie the wire tie yet. Orient the shield cover as shown and press it onto the left and right shields. Grip the connector on the main wire. Then press the small latch on the wire pull and remove the wire pull. Discard the wire pull and the wire tie. Next, hold the handlebar near the upright and route the main wire upward through the handlebar and out of the indicated opening. Do not pinch the main wire. Carefully insert the handlebar into the upright. Attach the handlebar with 2 M8 by 58 mm bolts and 2 M8 lock nuts. Make sure that the lock nuts are in the hexagonal holes. Hold the console near the handlebar and insert the console wire through the indicated slot. Do not pinch the wires. Attach the console to the handlebar with 4 M6 by 16 mm screws. Start all 4 screws and then tighten them. Connect the console wire to the main wire. Important, the wire connectors should slide together easily and snap into place with an audible click. You must connect the wires properly for your exercise bike to function properly. Then insert the connectors and the excess wire downward into the indicated opening. Do not pinch the wires. Slide the console cover onto the handlebar and then press the console cover onto the back of the console. Identify the right pedal. Using your fingers, turn the right pedal about halfway into the right crank arm, then use the included wrench to firmly tighten the right pedal. Repeat this step with the left pedal. Important, you must turn the left pedal counterclockwise to attach it. Adjust the strap on the right pedal to the desired position and press the ends of the strap into the tabs on the right pedal. Adjust the strap on the left pedal in the same way. Plug the power adapter into the receptacle on the front of the exercise bike. Make sure that all parts are properly tightened before you use the exercise bike. Extra parts may be included. Place a mat under the exercise bike to protect the floor or carpet. To avoid damage to the console, keep the exercise bike out of direct sunlight. Keep the included tools. One or more of the tools may be needed to make adjustments in the future. Thank you for purchasing this ProForm exercise bike.